Hello guys, welcome to Max Math Games School of Olympiad. In this series, we bring you different questions asked in different Olympiads all over the world, and this one is from America, asked in the year 1987. So the question of the day is, find the number of ordered triplets A, B, C where A, B and C belongs to natural numbers and LCM of A, B is equals to 1000, LCM of B, C is equals to 2000 and LCM of C, A is equals to 2000. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, so now let us get started with the solution. The first thing that we observe is all these numbers, that is 1000, 2000 and again 2000 are of the form 2 raised to the power alpha into 5 raised to the power beta, right? Therefore, we can say that the LCM of A, B is also of this form, LCM of B, C is also of this form and again LCM of C, A is also of this form. And hence we can conclude that A will obviously be something in the terms of power of 2 multiplied by power of 5. Similarly, let B is equals to 2 raised to the power m2 into 5 raised to the power n2 and C is equals to 2 raised to the power m3 into 5 raised to the power n3. Now LCM of A, B is equals to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3. LCM of B, C is equals to 2000 and that is 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 3 and LCM of C, A again that is 2000. So that is 2 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 3. So using this information we can conclude that maximum of M1, M2 is equals to 3, maximum of M2, M3 is equals to 4 and maximum of M1, M3 is again equals to 4 and similarly maximum of N1, N2. So when we take the LCM of A, B, then the maximum power of 5 will be equals to 3 and that will be the maximum of N1, N2. So the maximum of N1, N2 is equals to 3, maximum of N2, N3 will be equals to 3 and again maximum of N1, N3 will again be equals to 3. So now all we need to find is the number of ways in which M1, M2, M3 can take values so as to satisfy these equations and similarly the number of ways in which N1, N2 and N3 can take values so as to satisfy these conditions. So now let us take these conditions separately and let us try to solve the number of ways in both the cases. So now first of all let us try to take all the information that we can get from these three conditions. Alright, so the first thing that we clearly observe is that M3 has to be equals to 4 because neither M1 can be equals to 4 nor M2 can be equals to 4 because in that case the first condition will obviously be wrong. Also we observe that either M1 or M2 should be equals to 3 and the other one can vary. So if M1 is equals to 3 then M2 can take the values 0, 1, 2 or 3 and if M2 is equals to 3 then M1 can take the values 0, 1, 2 or 3 and hence aggregating all this information that we have concluded from this case we can state that there will be a few number of cases. Let me write down all the cases to be precise and hence these will be the 7 possible values of M1, M2 and M3 triplet which can be used to find the values of A, B and C. So we will store this 7 value for now and let us move on to the second thing that we need to consider, that is the values of N1, N2 and N3. Alright, so now that we have gotten the number of cases for M1, M2, M3, now we observe that maximum value of either pair N1, N2 or N2, N3 or N1, N3 is equals to 3 and hence we can conclude that at least 2 out of 3, that is n1, n2 and n3, must be equal to the quantity 3 because all these LCMs are equals to 3, and the third quantity can vary from 0, 1, 2 or 3. So now I will write down all the possible cases of n1, n2 and n3. So these are all the possible 10 cases for which the values of n1, n2 and n3 will satisfy these conditions. So we will write down the number 10 over here. So now the values of A, B and C depends upon m1, m2, m3, n1, n2 and n3, and there are 7 possible ways in which m1, m2 and m3 can be assigned values, and 10 possible ways in which n1, n2 and n3 can be assigned values, and they are independent of each other. So that means that the number of cases will be multiplied, and hence 7 into 10 is equals to 70 will be the answer and will be the number of possible values of the ordered triplets A, B, C. And that is the answer to our question. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.